How to get a loan for unexpected equipment issues. An equipment failure can bring business to a halt. Repairs and replacements are expensive, and banks are rarely fast enough to help in emergencies. They require long reviews and collateral most businesses cannot provide. That's why our team works as independent brokers with David Allen Capital, connecting business owners to emergency loans designed for speed. Approvals can happen within 24 to 48 hours, with funds released shortly after. To qualify, your business must be operating for at least 4 months, generate $15,000 monthly in revenue, and maintain a FICO score of 550 or higher in the United States or Canada. David Allen Capital also offers microfunding loans for businesses below $15,000 in monthly revenue. DAC offers a $500 meet or beat guarantee. If another provider beats their offer, DAC will either match it or pay you $500 in cash. Do not let broken equipment stop your operations. Apply today through the link in the description below at jakefunding.com. Best of luck!